we have to adjust the resolution of this virtual machine. So for that, what we have to do is we have to install the extension pack, which you can download from the virtualbox.org, from the same page from where you downloaded the VirtualBox software. So just click on this all supported platforms under the title VirtualBox extension pack. Download that software, install it. It will take a few seconds to install, and once that is done, go to the virtual machine and then go to devices on the top menu and then click on insert guest additions CD image. So that will show you a installer option like this. Now click on run and enter your password of that virtual machine operating systems, and then just type yes, and now the installer is running. So basically it will install the guest additions, which will enable you to have the VM operating system in the full resolution. So without this you cannot have the operating system running in the full resolution. So the installation of this guest additions will take few seconds to minutes depending on how fast is your machine. Once the installation process has completed, restart your operating system and log in back, and then go to display, which will show you the option of choosing the resolution. Choose the resolution as per your monitor's resolution, or if you don't know about that, just try different resolutions, and which one seems to be appropriate for you, choose that one and click on apply. In our case, we are trying with 1600 cross 1200, so the aspect ratio is 4:3, and we are clicking on apply. It will show us a preview of the resolution. If it is okay for you, then you can click on keep this configuration, and if it is not, then just click on the restore previous configuration. So since we like it, we will be keeping it. With this, the resolution issue which we were facing earlier has been fixed.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.